Welcome to Bullman Built RC if you've never been here before.
Welcome back if you have.
Today is the best day of the week. It's Mailbox Monday. This is where I go over all the things I got for the week. We open it up, I show you typically first, and then we talk about what we're going to do with what we have. This came from a guy that I found on Facebook. He had these lights. I'm not 100% sure these are right. I've never owned these lights in person. They are Vanquish. I have tried to buy a set of these for a while now. Goodness, they are well packed. That is for sure. I can't even get this open, like, without destroying. Okay. Okay, so he said these are legitimate Q series lights. They've just been opened. He lost the package, something along those lines. I've never owned them. I did my research as much as I could online. They do have, that's an actual aluminum housing, so I assume that's correct. I'm not 100% sure that this is right. Like, it's just cut. So I don't know if I don't know what you do here. I got some sort of resistor or capacitor. Maybe it's capacitor. I think it's capacitor. It's got VP stuff on it. And then this one. That one's the same. I want to use it on my SCX6, so that's all I really cared about. I am trying to at least put some sort of light on it because I figured it's kind of cool. It's big enough that, like, it'll be easy to do, for one. And then it'll actually look good because the front is pinched so hard that I cannot use the actual grill that goes to it because it's literally just the two headlights side by side, and it just looks really stupid. So I'm going to probably put the grill in between these two or something. Maybe get these to be the headlights. I'm not real sure yet, but that is the plan. So with that being said,
next
up, not necessarily crawler related, but crawler hauler related. Big thanks to Amazon for only taking one side of this box. Exactly what I wanted, right? Yeah. I need a new window regulator for the Suburban. If you don't know, I have a 2005 Suburban that I bought specifically from just buying and selling stuff to buy an RC crawler hauler. It is actually a business investment, a little bit of tax write-off, all that stuff. And the rear window started falling down, and so I had to replace it. So, not necessarily RC related, but crawler hauler related, so I included it. And if you know, you know. If you don't, then now you know.
And if you don't know, now you know.
Yeah. No. Alright, got that. Not gonna yeet that across the shop. Next up, another Amazon package. Pull it. So basically what I have is a bunch of Dremel attachments, and then I have a ton of extra wheels and pads and all that jazz, because I have a set of machetes somewhere that I'm going to have blasted. I had Rusty do them a couple years ago, maybe a year ago or so, and I've never been happy with them. So I'm going to blast them, and then I'm going to polish them out and try to make them chromey looking, since they would be sandblasted. I also got some buffing compound. Got black, gray, brown, reddish, orange, and white. Polishing hard and soft metals to a high gloss finish. Cleaning and buffing of precious metals. Cleaning, buffing, and scratch removal of soft metals. Medium cleaning, buffing, and scratch removal of hard metals. Heavy duty cleaning of hard metals, iron, stainless steel. And then the green is polishing all metals, including precious metals, to a high gloss finish. So, not really all that sure what I'm going to use, exactly how to use it. I'm just winging it. Maybe I'll make a video on it and kind of show you guys how to do it as well. So that's that.
Next!
This is just going to be easier this way. I made an order from BP. And as you guys have seen before, a couple times now, I'm buying wheels and then sending them out to Bateman. He re-anodizes them, and then I get them back, and then I sell them to whoever wants them, really. Not only did we get wheels, I've got a lot of things that I needed to replace. Usually I don't show these guys on camera, but some of you have expressed interest and all that stuff. So, one set of red 105s, a set of black machetes, blue impacts, because someone stole my last pair of blue impacts for her truck. A set of orange 101s for the wall, a set of gray 310s, probably going to put one of these sets up, another set of orange 101s, blue impacts, another set of red 105s, blue impacts, black machetes, gray 310s, gray 310s, black machetes, blue impacts, orange 101s. So now to replace a few things that I've actually sold within the last few weeks. 3 of the metal aluminum I got 3 of the aluminum standoffs for a BFD, 2 of the 30-tooth bearing retainers, a pair of clear 350 hubs, and a pair of black 350 hubs, which I just sold again, and I'll have to get some more. Brass 225s, clear 225s. Now you will notice I got a lot of the same color. In all honesty, I don't care what color they are. However, if they had a bunch of them in stock in the same color and I could get the 6 sets that I wanted all in one color, I went ahead and did it that way. I know that probably messes with their inventory a little bit, but I don't see that buying 6 pairs of wheels really has that big of an impact on them, but maybe it does. Especially the blue impacts and like the 101s. They're usually in stock all the time. I do try not to take the things that are not in stock. Like I'd never really try to take like gold impacts or gold 105s because the things are never in stock, and I know people actually want them to be gold, so I would try not to take those. So now we will, honestly, I might just have her help me. We're going to unpack a lot of these wheels, put some of the ones I have up on the wall in the box, and they will go out to Mr. Bateman, and here in a couple weeks we will get them back. You will see them as usual.
Next!
I actually got these from a buddy of mine named Mario. Some of you may know who he is. I got them off of Facebook. He was selling them. I did open them up on the Monday Night Live. You guys that didn't see that have missed the beautiful like Hello Kitty looking box I got these in. But these are legit green impacts. He posted them up for about as cheap as I've seen them in general, especially shipped. Actually, I'll probably end up just putting them in a box, and they'll go up safely with my BCA stuff, all 3 sets of those wheels, my tanks, I'm starting to kind of collect the 310s since they've been discontinued, and just a few other things. I've got some engine wheels up there and some different parts and things, some deluxe shocks that they want nothing more, all that kind of jazz. So that wraps up Mailbox Monday. I and we appreciate you watching. Make sure to check me out on Facebook groups, Facebook page, and Instagram, Bullman Built RC across the board. Make sure to check us out Mondays at 7 p.m. Eastern on YouTube Live. And that is all. We will see you later.
Bye!
Bye. Go.